Are you ready for the seasonal changes? Is your roof? As the calendar pages flip, our surroundings transform. Leaves turn vibrant in autumn, snow blankets everything in winter, flowers bloom in spring, and the sun shines brightly in summer. Each season, beautiful in its own right, brings with it specific weather conditions that can take a toll on your rooftop. This is where the importance of preparing your roof for seasonal changes comes into play. A well-maintained roof can save you from hefty repair costs and give you peace of mind. So, how do you do it? Step 1. Conduct a thorough inspection. Can't fix a problem if you don't know it's there. Start by looking for any visible signs of damage like missing or broken shingles, mold, or leaks. Remember, it's always safer and more effective to hire a professional for this job. Step 2. Clean the gutters. Clogged gutters can cause water to back up and damage your roof. Make a habit of cleaning them out, especially during fall when leaves are prone to pile up, and in spring to clear out any accumulated debris. Step 3. Trim overhanging branches. Trees can be a roof's worst enemy. Not only can branches scrape and damage your shingles, but leaves can also clog your gutters. Keep all branches at a good distance from your roof. Step 4. Apply a protective sealant. A high-quality sealant can protect your roof from harmful UV rays in the summer and prevent water damage during winter. Step 5. Insulate your attic. Proper insulation will keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. It can also prevent ice dams from forming on your roof during the colder months. Step 6. Regular maintenance. Roof care isn't a one-time thing. Regular maintenance will help you spot potential problems early and extend the lifespan of your roof. The roof above your head is one of the most crucial components of your home. It shields you from the elements and keeps you and your loved ones safe. So it's only fair that you return the favor and take care of it. Remember, a little effort can go a long way. By following these steps, you can prepare your roof for any season and ensure it continues to serve its purpose for years to come. And there you have it, folks. A simple guide to preparing your roof for seasonal changes. If you found this information helpful, show some love by hitting that like button. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. It could be the advice they need to protect their homes. And if you're looking for more helpful tips and tricks, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel. We promise to keep bringing you content that is as engaging as it is informative. Until next time, stay safe and remember, a well-maintained roof is a happy roof.